What should your Etsy listing contain when you're selling physical products in your Etsy shop? I'll tell you in this video. Hi, I'm Lydia, and on this channel we talk about social media marketing for business and how to make more money online. If you're interested in these topics, make sure to click the subscribe button below. It is not enough to just take a few photos of your physical product, list them on Etsy, and expect to generate sales, grow your business, and online shop. There are a lot of other things you need to keep in mind if you want to grow your Etsy sales for your physical products, and I'll tell you what those are right now. The first thing you want to do is to take good professional photographs of your items before you list them on Etsy. No matter if you sell jewelry, handmade items, planners, or even clothing or anything else, your thumbnail photo must represent your product and must be a professional one if you want people to click on it when they see it in search. Same as that, the other listing images must be very high quality because you want people when browsing through your listing to become more interested in your product. Besides being high quality, your listing images must contain enough information about your product so that your clients will purchase them. You can create infographic images with different types of images of your products to offer more information about the product to your client and convince them that your product is good enough for them to make a purchase. If you have no idea how to take good product photos for your Etsy items at home, in this video right here I share how to build a home studio without much investment and start taking your Etsy photographs at home. Especially if you don't want to invest in hiring a photographer, these tips will help you create professional photographs of your items and stand out among competition. Besides your photos, what you need to focus on if you want to make more physical product sales on Etsy is having a niched shop and an optimized one. Your entire shop must appeal to a certain type of audience. You cannot sell everything in your shop, especially if you want to make more sales and for some people to buy more items from you. You need to make it clear what your shop is all about in your shop description, in your shop sections for your items, the shop optimization images, and more details at the bottom of the shop, as well as share behind the scenes shots of your work. This will help people understand what your shop is all about, what your brand is all about, and will help them get more connected to you and your products. If you want to properly optimize your shop and your listings, you will need to invest in doing SEO, which is search engine optimization. You will need to start researching keywords that people will actually type in the search bar to find your product. Put yourself in the shoes of your customer. What would they search for on Etsy, and what is the best keyword to add in there so that they will find your item? What are the best keywords that describe your items that are also very highly searched for? Type some of those keywords in the search bar, and then Etsy will come up with more keyword suggestions that you can add in your listing title, in your listing description, and tags. Another really important thing you need to keep in mind if you want to sell more physical products on Etsy is your branding and packaging. Your logo, your professional logo for your business, and the cover image of your Etsy shop, these need to be branded and to represent your business. As well as that, when somebody receives your item at home, you need to have a branded packaging, pack it with care, and include your business card that shows your social media links and maybe a coupon code for them to use later. You can also have a request for them to leave a review in your shop in the thank you card. Something people really look forward to when purchasing physical items on Etsy is effective and quick shipping. So remember to add accurate shipping details on your profile so that they know when their items are supposed to arrive. By being active in your Etsy shop, posting new items weekly, using social media to promote your items, and most importantly, offering good customer support will ensure that your Etsy sales will increase in the future. So this is what you need to do to increase your physical product sales on Etsy, optimize your shop and your shop listings. If this video was helpful, make sure to watch the playlist down below for more Etsy videos, and remember to subscribe if you haven't already. You can also follow me on my other social media platforms right here, and I will see you in my next video.